Polar bears are fascinating creatures and the largest species of bear found on Earth. Here's an explanation about polar bears. Physical characteristics. Polar bears, Ursus maritimus, are well adapted to survive in the harsh Arctic environment. They have a thick layer of blubber and a dense fur coat that helps them retain heat and stay warm in extremely cold temperatures. The fur appears white but is actually transparent, and it helps them blend in with their icy surroundings. Polar bears also have black skin, which aids in absorbing sunlight and retaining heat. Habitat and range. Polar bears are found in the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere, primarily in countries such as Canada, Alaska, United States, Russia, Greenland, and Norway. They are adapted to live in the Arctic's icy and snowy habitats, including sea ice, coastal areas, and islands. Polar bears rely on sea ice for hunting seals, their primary prey. Diet and hunting. Polar bears are apex predators and are highly dependent on a diet of seals. They are excellent swimmers and can swim for long distances. They use their acute sense of smell and powerful swimming skills to locate and capture seals. Polar bears mainly hunt by waiting near seal breathing holes or by ambushing them when they surface through cracks in the ice. Conservation status. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) due to the ongoing loss of their sea ice habitat caused by climate change. The reduction in sea ice makes it more difficult for polar bears to hunt, travel, and find suitable denning areas. Other threats to polar bears include pollution, oil and gas development, and human-wildlife conflicts. Various conservation efforts are in place to protect polar bears and their fragile ecosystem. Life cycle. Female polar bears reach sexual maturity at around 4 to 6 years of age, while males become mature a bit later. Breeding usually occurs between April and May. Female polar bears go through delayed implantation, where the fertilized eggs do not immediately attach to the uterus. This adaptation allows them to time the birth of their cubs to coincide with the denning period in winter. Females typically give birth to 1 to 3 cubs in a den made from snow and ice. The cubs remain with their mother for about 2.5 years, learning important survival skills. Behavior and adaptations. Polar bears are solitary animals, except for breeding pairs and mothers with cubs. They are well adapted to the Arctic environment, with features like a streamlined body for efficient swimming and large paws equipped with sharp claws for walking on ice and capturing prey. They also have a thick layer of fat and a low metabolic rate, allowing them to conserve energy during periods of scarcity. Polar bears are known for their ability to travel long distances over sea ice. Polar bears are iconic symbols of the Arctic and play an important role in the ecosystem as top predators. Their survival is closely tied to the health of the Arctic environment, making their conservation a critical priority.